Hi everyone, welcome along. We're going to tonight, as it's lovely evening tonight, nice and dark winter night, perfect for some Aunt Bessie's roasties. They're mini roasties, so we're going to give the old air fryer another go. It's the U10 air fryer. We'll see how it deals with these little mini roasties, shall we?
So we're going to use our air fryer. We're going to switch it on. Alan and I usually have half a packet of these. It's more than enough for us. And we're going to set it on the chip one because we found that that is perfect for it. So it's 200 degrees, 80 minutes. So here we go, half a bag of Aunt Bessie's mini roasties. In we go. And it will come up on and we're off. Here we are then. Look forward to supper. Cheers. Right, halfway through and we're going to give it a little shake. So the best thing is here is to pop it down and pour this out. Give them a shake. There we go. And pop them back in and carry on for the next 9 minutes. Okay, our time's up. And wow, do they look good? Look at those little beauties.
Okay, so there we are then. Here we have them. Setting was for the chip setting, okay, on the air fryer there. And they look absolutely lovely, don't they? So we're just going to try one out. They all look good actually. These look mini roasties. Can't beat these, can you? Here. Light, fluffy, absolutely as you would like them. Believe me, these are fantastic. Okay, so that's it. That's all I'm going to say. We're going to get on with our evening now. We have our nice glass of wine, our candles, our romantic evening on a Saturday evening. What can you do better than this? Okay, I'm going to enjoy tonight. Okay, all the videos, you know where to go for my stuff. Derek and 33. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.